It's official, it's summer and I'm going on a holiday. Yes, today you're watching this video, I'll be in the plane flying to Cyprus with all my family, kids, everybody else. We're flying like a big group and it will be fantastic. If you're watching a day after or a few days later I release this video, I'll be already on the beach or by the pool, enjoying some cocktails and just having a good time. However, I will be posting the videos because I'm making sure everything is recorded before I fly and I don't leave you alone. But today we're doing a typical lovely dessert cocktail which is going to be fantastic for a holiday and it's going to put me in the right mood. Yes, today we're going to do a version of the lemon meringue because there are like many versions of the lemon meringue cocktail. But this is one which we serve in the bar I work and it's doing really well. It's been there on the menu for a few years and it's never going to go away because people love it. So I decided to share it with you. So yeah. This is our version of the lemon meringue. Enjoy the video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. I will post some updates from Cyprus for my holiday. But for now, let's see how to make this wonderful, delicious lemon meringue cocktail. So first ingredient of course is the limoncello. This is going to be the base of the cocktail. Then we have hazelnut liqueur, Frangelico hazelnut liqueur. We're going to put some vanilla sugar syrup inside, a few dashes of orange bitters. Of course it's a lemon meringue, so we need a fresh lemon. And finally an egg white to make it nice, smooth and make this lovely white froth on the top. So if we are ready, let's build. Okay, the cocktail is shaken, so we're using egg white. This is mean we're gonna do a double shake, dry and wet shake. But first let's start with the limoncello. So 45 ml or an ounce and a half of your limoncello. Then we're gonna move to the hazelnut liqueur, and in this case is the Frangelico. I use 15 ml or a half an ounce of the Frangelico. It will give a lovely sweetness to a cocktail and a wonderful, like a nutty flavor. Next ingredient, of course, we need some more sweetness. Since it's a kind of a dessert cocktail, we're gonna go with a half an ounce or a 15 ml of the vanilla syrup. And yeah, it is sweet, okay? But bear in mind you have lemon juice and you have the limoncello inside, which is gonna balance fantastic the sweetness. And of course we're gonna drop a little bit of bitter. So with the lemon juice we're gonna go 1 ounce or ounce and a bit, let's put it this way. I usually use around 35 ml, but 30 ml or 1 ounce it will be absolutely fine. And of course 2-3 dashes of Angostura orange bitter or any bitter you have. Now finally we need a whole egg white, not half, just the whole egg white. And we're gonna give it a good kind of a dry shake. Make sure you keep the shaker nice and close because the egg expand and could blow in your hand. So give it a quick shake. Okay. This is gonna break the egg, it's gonna incorporate everything together, and now we're gonna fill it up with ice. I promise, when I decided to do this cocktail, I didn't match the yellow shirt just because of the cocktail. It's totally coincidence. Another good shake now. Give it a really good shake until the shaker is nice and frozen. And this is gonna make the egg totally kind of explode inside, full with air. It's gonna be fantastic frothy cocktail. And there you go. We're gonna serve in a lovely cup. Grab my strainer. There we are. Make sure you serve all the egg white and the froth inside. Wonderful. Just perfect. Finally, for a garnish you can use lemon zest. You can use dehydrated lemon, or I use just a very thin slice of a lemon. here just on the side of the cocktail. And this is the version of lemon meringue, which I like. This is a beautiful cocktail. I can't wait for my holiday. I can't wait. I mean, I'm flying at the moment, probably when you're watching this video, so yes, it's happening. Amazing. Refreshing, citrusy, have this wonderful hazelnut flavor coming through it. Oh, it's just... Guys, I love you so much. I'll see you next week with another video, and it will be something which it's apparently the most famous cocktail in Cyprus, which everybody likes to drink, and it's kind of a... It's not official, it's unofficial favorite cocktail of all people in Cyprus. So since I'm going there, why not sharing this cocktail with you next week? I will be somewhere on the beach or doing something with the kids, I don't know what. But hey, the video will pop out in exactly same time on Thursday. Until then, enjoy whatever you do. And yeah, as always, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye. That's so good. So good. Oh yes.